Give it up. Give up that war. You know, the war that you have to really fight is the war against yourself. You have to fight a war against yourself. Now, it's not easy to look in the mirror and to change your own life. It's hard as hell. You have to take responsibility. You have to learn new things. You have to feel uncomfortable. Good, because discomfort is how we grow. That's how we become strong. If you run away from discomfort and resistance your whole life, you will always be weak.
And most people don't like being uncomfortable. If you don't want to be uncomfortable, please do not pursue success, because success is a very uncomfortable feeling. And I just learned to be comfortable being uncomfortable.
Your comfort zone is irrelevant. What matters is, what are you trying to do with your life? Future you is going to give you advice on what to stop, what to start, on what a more courageous action would be. What's the first thing they would tell you to be or do to be more courageous?
You ain't gonna have much of a life. If you play it safe, you won't have much of a life. Life is risk. It take courage to pursue your dream. Now, it's gonna cost you something. Most people are not willing to pay what it costs to go after your dream, because you're gonna have to hurt a little bit.
And those are the times when you want to run and hide. You gotta be able to find energy. You gotta make up games, make up tricks, make up whatever you can to get to the next evolution of life.
All successful people, if they fail by trying greatly, not by playing it safe and wishing and hoping that everything will work out all right in the future. What they do is they take great risks with no guarantee of success, and so can you.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life. You cannot be sleep 8 hours a day.
We do not retreat. We do not give up. We do not surrender. And the reason why most of you are not successful is because every single time stuff's not going your way, you give up, you quit, you let go, and people feel weakness. They feel it. You can feel when somebody's not committed, when they're not all in, when they're not dedicated.
If you want freedom, there's going to be an element of risk. There's going to have to be sacrifices made. There's going to have to be late nights, extra hours, persistence, and most importantly, growth. If you don't become someone else, you will not be able to earn your freedom. The person you are right now might not be good enough for the life you want. If you really want it, you're going to have to become someone else.
The voice in my head said, you know what, man? You're gonna die never even trying to reach your full potential. And how's that gonna feel? So I'm gonna live, even while I'm dead, I'm gonna be, because I believe in a higher power, whatever it may be. I don't know what it is. I believe that your mind lives forever. Some spirit, something lives forever. I'm gonna be haunted by the mere fact that I literally just, that's what I was.
Wasted that life.
That's what I was, man.
And you look back and here lies David Goggins, a punk.
That's it. Right. And I get to live, so whatever heaven or hell is, you're in hell the rest of your life. The rest of your life. And if there is a God, which I hope to God there is, knowing what I put myself through now, whatever memories I have, if there's any at all, I'll be a happy man. But I knew that I was gonna pay for this while I was living or while I was dead. I was gonna pay for this, because basically to me, it was a huge sin. I'm basically just gonna sit here and just be a comfortable man and not even try.
Wasting your life is a sin,
it's
right?
It's a sin.
It is.
I'm not even gonna try.
I want you to get over this notion that I find so annoying that so many people have, that success and power in life is dependent on something like genetics. Like some people are born with a larger brain, or they have wealthy parents who are able to send them to the right school, or it's all a matter of luck. What really makes people successful and powerful in life, and it's not just me saying this, I read hundreds of books on the subject, what makes people successful is their degree of motivation. I could repeat it 100 times, but it's true every time I say it. When you are motivated, when you feel yourself emotionally engaged in the subject, you learn faster. You learn what could take somebody 10 years to learn, you can learn in 2 years. When you feel emotionally engaged with something, you're able to push past all the obstacles. The sense that it's genetics or the size of our brain or our parents' money, you can't control any of that, obviously. And they can become kind of crutches for some people. But the amount of motivation you feel, the emotional connection you have to what you're studying or doing, that is something within your control. That is something you can choose to take. And it is, you're going to find people giving you all kinds of great advice about your careers, about where you should go, you know, for your MBA, etc. But if there's one piece of advice that I think is more important than that, it is this idea of following these natural inclinations and creating your own career path and finding a way to engage those deepest motivating parts of your psyche.
Unhappiness is simply the lack of progress toward a preset goal. If you're not making progress, see, that's when unhappiness sets in. But here's where happiness begins: making progressive progress. You don't have to arrive all at once. You don't have to have it immediately. But as long as you're making progress, as long as progress is part of your experience now, it is a fantastic source of inspiration. Now here's the next one. Source of inspiration, and that is achieving. When you finally have arrived at that goal that you set. I want to have this much experience and be able to do this by 30 days from now, 60 days from now, 6 months from now. And finally, that 6 months passes, and there you are. Finally, the time passes, and you have it. Finally, the time passes, and the skill is now beginning to be polished, and it is so unique and effective. Achieving is an incredible source of inspiration. But here's what we notice. When you do achieve, whatever you set out in the beginning, where you decided and planned and you got started and you progressed, when you finally achieve, that achievement is not much more inspiration than when you decided. It's a different kind of inspiration. It's a different kind of feeling to having arrived. Knowing that you've got many other objectives to accomplish, many other places you want to go, things you want to do, the person you want to become. But at least I've got this one. You know, I've done this one.
As the saying on the wall of the inner city school reads, God don't make no junk. Each person is capable of achieving excellence in some way, in some area. You have within you, right now, the ability to function at genius or exceptional levels in at least one, and perhaps several different intelligences. Your job is to find out what it could be for you. Your responsibility to yourself is to cast off all these self-limiting beliefs and accept that you are an extraordinarily capable and talented person. You are engineered for greatness and designed for success. You have competencies and capabilities that have never been tapped. You have the ability within yourself right now to accomplish almost any goal you can set for yourself if you are willing to work long enough and hard enough to achieve it. The good news about beliefs is that all beliefs are learned. They can therefore be unlearned, especially if they are not helpful. When you came into the world, you had no beliefs at all about yourself, your religion, your political party, other people, or the world in general. Today, you know a lot of things. But as the comic Josh Billings once wrote, it aren't what a man knows what hurts him. It's what he knows what aren't true. There are many things that you know about yourself that are simply not true. And these are almost always in the area of self-limiting beliefs. The starting point of unlocking more of your potential is for you to identify your self-limiting beliefs and then ask, what if they were not true at all? What if you were possessed of an extraordinary ability in an area where you didn't think you were very good at all, such as selling, entrepreneurship, public speaking, or money-making? Everywhere I go throughout the world, I have taught these principles to many tens of thousands of people. I have filing drawers full of letters from people who had never heard this idea of self-limiting beliefs before. But once they heard it, they changed their entire attitudes towards themselves. They began to see themselves as far more competent.
Alright, what's up, you fucking goats? How you guys doing? I guess every time I hop on here, my fucking webcam is frozen. It's weird as shit to me, honestly. Give me a sec here. But what's up, man? Happy New Week, y'all. Here I am. Here I am, live in the fucking flesh. Welcome to Zen Lab, people. Welcome to Zen Lab. And happy Juneteenth. I don't think I'm really going to be trading today, but I just wanted to hop on and say what's up. Me and the lady went out again last night and got a little fucking wasted with some friends, so I'm not feeling the greatest because I can't hang anymore, bro. So I'm just here with some coffee and some charts and, what are y'all doing for the holiday? Hope you guys aren't working. Grand Sifu, you got me very high interest in AUD/USD. Bro, I'm on AUD/USD right now. It's the only thing that's moving smooth right now because of the holiday. So let's go check out before we get started here what we got going on for the week, bro, as far as news. What's good? Made a big mistake today on London session, down 2.3% one trade. Send me your chart, bro. I want to see it. Let's go through it. So Monday, June 19th. Fuck, I'm excited for today, bro. We got a tons of friends coming out with us. And we got a friend with the truck who's going to be taking our jet ski with us while we boat. So I'll have both of my toys out there and I'm gonna fucking enjoy myself today, bro. Oh, I hope it doesn't rain today. It's said it's gonna be cloudy all day and it's supposed to rain like now and then be good all day, but it hasn't rained all morning or now, and hopefully we're still good all day. Man, I caught that move. Scalped it for $100. What move, bro? This move right here? This nice little tap into that supply. Nice little psychological level on our side. Nice little 200 MA on our side. How much cleaner can you fucking get, bro? I don't think it tapped in here, though. Not gonna lie. Oh, boom. There we go. Nah, I don't think it tapped in, bro. All right, so let's start off with GJ. I only plan to be here 68717. Hold on, let's go check Tony's shit out real quick. 68717. 68717. My bug took the liquid grab. Pow. You savage. What do we got sitting up here, bro? Did it come all the way up into this? Okay, did we have a hourly? Close. Whatever you did, bro, played out and it was clean. I would have waited until it came at least all the way up into this hourly supply, but obviously we've been bearish. We're trying to retrace this entire fucking move that we had last week. So I dig it. But here, let's start at the top. 68964 was your stop loss. Yeah, bro. I don't know if you guys saw my story yesterday. I'm not the guy to spend hundreds of dollars at restaurants that give me fucking 4 bites of food. I'm straight, bro. I'd rather go to the hole in wall and pay $15 a plate and be full as fuck. But it was definitely fun yesterday. We went for my bro's dad's Father Day, whatever. I don't have a father, so I gotta go celebrate with somebody else. I mean, I have one, but we don't talk, bro. Not for any bad reasons. I just have never met him before, and I don't know much about the guy, so I go celebrate other people's Father's Days. I guess it was Father's Day for me yesterday. I got 2 dogs and a cat, so happy fucking Father's Day to me. Been in gold sales from last night. Set a sell stop. Woke up to TP smash. That's the way to do it, bruh. Okay, so look what's going on here, guys. First of all, we do have this fucking range. Why are we sitting in a range? In my opinion, because it's a bank holiday, bro. Not much is going to happen. For you guys who stood up during London, and if you took this demand setup here, you're a fucking beast, bro. We had a major low to take out. Very simple. We had a huge gap sitting before this demand for one. I mean, that one wouldn't have played out, but if you guys would have waited to that lower demand, and it goes back to what we always talk about. If you fill out both of these demands and the first one doesn't hit, it's probably because there's one underneath it that is going to hit. And that's exactly what happened here. But Zen Lab would have never got into the trade. Why? Because there's no fucking low to take out before coming down to the zone. So we would have just been sitting on our hands, waiting for this bottom zone. As soon as it tapped, you wait for previous candle break, which is right here. Stops below the lowest low of the wick that touched the zone, and then catch you a nice little 1 to 2.5, bro. The same way we enter the markets is the same way we exit the markets, as you guys know. So you had this nice little supply sitting up here. Counter trend, yes, but once you get that reaction off of it, coming up into it, a decent reaction, as soon as you break past this previous candle's low, maybe you should manage it, which is a nice little 1 to 2. So always remember that rule, guys. The same way we enter is the same way we exit. Now, if we were to blow past this fucking zone, then we look to the left and see what highs. Where's the liquidity at? Where can we take out next? Just never ended up making it up there. But as of right now, we don't take zones a second time. But it's fucking flying from this point. We do have equal lows to hit down here, so we could potentially take out these equal lows. Sitting right here, come down to this lower demand, and then continue higher. But that point, the 200 is kind of sitting flat anyway. So again, I don't plan to trade much today, guys. Probably at all, because it's a holiday. I don't fuck around with holidays, but if I see something you guys want to take it, I mean, I'll tell you I would take it if it wasn't today. You feel me? Anyways, back to Forex Factory. So today we got bank holiday. Tomorrow we have 100 TPs that are going to be smashed because there's no news, so make sure you guys are there. Between Monday and Friday, we're going to have a giveaway day. I'm not going to tell you the day. You just got to show up, bro. Giving free money away is only for those who actually show up every day and do something in the group. This is not a fucking free ride, bro. Okay? So make sure you're here all week. Same times, every single day, 7:30 to 10 o'clock Eastern. Wednesday, we have Powell Speaks at 10 a.m. So hopefully we're out of the markets before then. I know a lot of streamers that just sit down with you guys and watch Powell speak. I am not really a fundamental trader for one, so I just like to stay away from it 30 minutes before, about 30 minutes after. So we will not be watching this old fucking guy speak. I will just be out of the markets or waiting until afterwards, which at 10 o'clock we'll probably just be out. Okay, Thursday, we have unemployment claims, and the guy speaks again at 10 o'clock. So hopefully we can get a nice little early banger before this dude. And then Friday, we have PMI at 9:45. So decent week, bro. Red folder is fucking normal for us every week in New York session. The following week, yeah, not much. Especially compared to last week where it was a gang of news. We made it out alive. We fucking killed it last week. Good week, my guys. Let's catch these dopes. Let's run it, bro. Okay, so we're just sitting in between these two ranges right here, bro. I'm not looking to do anything on this pair. If it came all the way down into this lower demand and you guys want to participate, it looks like a solid fucking trade. Especially when you go to the hourly. We tried to retrace a decent amount of this move, but we're probably not coming all the way down into this demand. We're just going to continue higher at this point, and we have a ton of liquidity to take out up here as well, it looks like. Well, pow. All that shit got to go. Okay, your cam froze. Interesting, bro. I wonder if it's because I have two webcams up. Like if one fails, the other one will activate itself. You know what I'm saying? But just let me know, guys. I can reactivate it every time. Yeah, because this is using my good webcam. Interesting. I don't know. But just let me know. I got you. I mean, you don't have to be a fundamental trader to watch it. I know a lot of business people watch it if you want to know the conditions of the economy. I'm straight, bro. I don't associate with politics, my guy. I know that sounds ignorant as fuck, but I'm profitable outside of fundamentals, and the way I do best in the market is by staying away from it. And I don't want to listen to these motherfuckers ruin our economy anyway, so I'm chilling. But Eric, if you do want to sit down on a live together, fundamentals, my guy, we can do so. Interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug this this fucking webcam because I don't know why it's doing that. Give me a sec here. It's just dying, bro. And then we'll just use my other one. Do you guys see me right now? I see myself. We're good. Okay, GU's ugly as fuck too, bro. And to be honest with you guys, I wouldn't want to sell anything. I understand that we've been making lower highs and lower lows, but remember, we are in a fat uptrend, bro. If we are to make it down to this demand, great. But we really just don't want to be selling against this. Look what happened all last week. We've just been fucking flying, bro. So we may get a bit of consolidation. We may start to break these minor lows here, but until we break past this higher low sitting here, this hourly higher low, I would be very cautious of you guys taking sales, just so you know, okay? On my end, this fucking thing keeps freezing. I sent you the link. I think you can't see it here in the chat. No, I can't, bro. You have to go up to top right. You'll see a camera. You click it. You press copy link on TradingView, and then I can see it. Give me a sec, bro. Give me un segundo. You guys can hear me while my shit's freezing though, right? Like it's not just configure video. Give me a sec. Let me just do it now. All right, now we're back to Logitech. Should be fine, okay? Yeah, so I'd be wary, bro. I wouldn't really want to sell off in this. Understood, when you guys go to smaller time frames, we're progressively going lower, but higher time frames tell us buy. So what I would be looking for is to wait till we came down into this hourly demand and form some type of 5-minute structure to play off, okay? So what does that look like? So we come all the way down into this demand sitting here, okay? And then we end up breaking this previous lower high, coming back down into a 5-minute demand. Then we can take price higher, but going against higher time frames when we usually get slaughtered in this bit, okay? So now understanding that we expect price to come down into this demand because we're not holding anything here right now, not even psychological level, you guys could potentially take this trade up here. We're breaking out a major high here. Why is it a major high? Because it made new lows after forming. You can come up into this supply and then continue downwards, but it's not high probability, bro, because you're going against higher time frame trend. But we'll see what happens here. Again, I can call it if it looks clean when we come up into the zone, but I'm literally not taking a trade today, just so you guys know. There's no cap. I just want to come on and say what up to y'all, bro. That's all. Okay, AU, which is going to be Tony's new favorite pair. Let's go into the hourly, and then we'll continue down. So all these pairs, bro, we made such a fat fucking gap last week due to news that we do need to fill at some point. And we haven't even filled 50% of it yet, I don't believe. We haven't yet. So I definitely expect price to come down into this hourly demand. Same thing as GU, same thing as GJ. But I don't want to sell against higher time frame trend. I'm just not a fan to do so. 200 is on our side on the 15-minute. 200 is on our side on the 5-minute for sales. And so again, same as GU. If we come past this major high, come all the way up into the supply, and then continue lower, you guys could be looking to take money out once we start to break past these lows. But I would just say it is not high probability because we're going against higher time frame trend. Very fucking simple. I'm only looking to buy this week, bro. Until what? Until we break past this higher low that's formed on the hourly. But again, I will put an alarm up here just in case we do hit it. If we get a decent reaction, I can tell you guys when I would be getting into a trade. But on this fine, beautiful holiday, I won't be doing it myself. And then next, let's go to the hourly. Lo and behold, same fucking thing, bro. We have a fat gap to fill down here before coming down into our hourly demand, okay? By the way, what a beautiful fucking trade we caught on Friday. So we do expect price to continue lower, but we don't want to go against trend. 15-minute is telling us that we have multiple supplies sitting up here. That's why I marked out this 15-minute supply. Once you go down to 5-minute, you guys can't see it so clear. But there is a gap sitting before it. We do have the 200 on our side, and we have this major high to take out before coming up into it. So it is a valid trade. Coming down to the 5-minute, as you see here, the 5-minute looks kind of ugly for the supply setup. And the gap gets a lot smaller as well. So not really high probability. Our high probability setups are sitting above here, where we have this major high to take out. We have a clean, fat fucking gap before the supply, and same with the supply sitting up here. I would much rather take these higher probability trades than coming just up to here to continue lower. But again, you guys are going against higher time frame trend. So anyways, what the fuck is up, bro? What'd you guys do this weekend? Chilling or what? I had a very eventful, fun weekend, except for Saturday, bro, because I went out and again, I just can't hang. I'm not that guy anymore. I fucking stay sober. I don't smoke. I don't drink anymore. And so when I decide to make these awful decisions, my body says a big fuck you to me. I sent the link. I think you can see it in here in the chat. Yeah, did you send it in Zen Lab chat, bro? Like free chat or what? I'll go look. No? And I'm about to, let me bring the Zoom in here. Give me a sec. But I think I'm high-key addicted to coffee. Now that I don't smoke and shit, talking on the smoking and drinking subject, I need the coffee in the morning, bro. It's pretty intense. Yeah, so main focus today, if you guys plan to trade, bro, when we take out these equal lows sitting down here, come and give some type of reaction on the psychological and barely tap into this demand. I think this is the cleanest trade here just because we have so much liquidity to take out for our actual targets. Appreciate all 9 of you in here, by the way. I will be on tomorrow, potentially a little bit later. Hold on, let me see what time it is at. Oh no, it's way late, so now I'll be on same time tomorrow, guys. What's up, Wes? I see you over there, bro. I just muted you so no one can hear you. I just told everybody we're not gonna be taking a trade today because it's Juneteenth. We're going to celebrate the brotherhood on my boat later on. Alessandro, send your chart, bro. Let's see what's cooking out here. There you are. I see you now. Can I put you on blast? All right, let's go see. So you're looking at oh, Jer 30. So what did you take this trade off of? I see the buy position here. I guess I just don't know what type of trader you are. Like, were you trying to take this off of a smaller time frame demand, or what's going on here? Buys above closure. Oh, you didn't wait for closure. So you're waiting for this breakout trade above this previous higher low or lower high. You never got the closure. You hopped in premature. You don't follow the rules, you lose, my guy. But this is what I think. I literally think we're about to have the most boring fucking day in the markets, guys. As you know, we're supply and demand. So, like people say, we trade like the banks, bro. If the banks aren't trading, this is what you get. Is a whole pot of fucking Yeah, I scaled in impulsively with false calculation. Sheesh, bruh. You scaled into that position? It's all good. You get it back the rest of the week. As long as you're in Zen Lab, you know what I'm saying? Wesley, I'm going to call you after this, bro. I'm only going to be on here for like 30 more minutes. I just wanted to say hi to everybody and shit. We're almost coming up into this demand sitting here. Alessandro, you just be up like during London, bro, and New York, or where do you live at? It's kind of intense. I remember back in my day, fucking killing myself to do that shit. And Thomas, are you in here, bro? You be sending me the longest fucking messages, dude. That's what you call FOMO, wanting to go in profits too fast. Yeah. Yeah, and it's a big holiday, so I mean, well, you can beat yourself up because you didn't follow your rules. But if it weren't to play out, like if you guys were to take this trade here and it didn't play out, can't beat yourself up too bad because it's a fucking holiday. Things just don't play out correctly, at least for my strategy. And so other people, where they're itching and need to take that trade, they're gonna probably hop into it, smaller risk or full risk because they're fucking crazy. I'll just sit on the sidelines, bro. I just don't care to trade. Some of you guys got to learn that shit. I know it's exciting when you first start out and it's like need to take a trade every single day, but the further you guys progress in your profitability, the less and less trades you take. I live in Switzerland. London starts at 9 a.m. for me, so New York is that afternoon. Oh shit, okay. So what time is it right now there? You're 6 hours ahead, so it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. It's 2 o'clock there right now? Look at this, dude. Misses you guys by fucking... by 1 pip. And then fucking melts off. So, obviously we did hit this supply sitting up here. I just didn't mark out the whole thing because it's a big candle, which I do have a video on that on YouTube. So, I only take the body and the most top wick. If we don't pop into it, we just don't take the trade. But this would have been a nice little banger if it did hop into there. I think right away it just hit TP1. Close. Nasty with it. But just a disgusting range, bro. I don't want to participate. I'm chilling. I think we're about to have a banger week, by the way. As a matter of fact, I fucking know. Yeah, I'm here just going to a store right now. AJ looks perfect today, and it's not dependent on US holiday. Yeah, because it's not USD. We'll go look at AJ. Yeah, this is a new holiday as well, so people are not caring too much about it. But I am. And we're going to celebrate today. So all I see is a supply up here. I don't know what you were taking, Thomas, but I dig it, if this was it. Okay, we've taken out all of these higher lows coming all the way down. Hourly probably tells us we're still in the bullish trend. We've been riding off of this demand sitting down here. And so pretty much this is our range. Is this entire impulse candle or impulse leg up sitting right here. So as soon as it came all the way down, to jump into this demand, we could have participated in these buys. Once London happened, we get out of the market the same way we enter the market, which is up here sitting at this hourly supply. Now, would I take these sells coming down here? I mean, you could, but it's lower probability because this is where we're kind of trying to call tops. Obviously, this is a whole impulsive leg up. We had 100% retracement, and we're making a decent fucking stride to start to make new highs. So going against my 200 here, sitting in this supply, by going against us possibly making new highs. Now, if you look to the left, we've done nothing but make new highs, bro, for a fucking minute. So who are we to decide that we are going to be the ones that can call a top and actually win? I just don't fuck with it. I'm at the top, but I think it'll retrace, giving another entry. But he does think they'll give another entry. So going on the 5 minute, if we understand that we are now bearish from this entire push down, I would like to wait for us to break past this major higher low sitting here. Until we do, I'd only be looking for buys. Now, if we were to break past it, we have hella fucking clean setups, bro. clean supply sitting here, 200s on our side on the 5-minute. We have a minor high to take out before coming up into it. And if that didn't work out, we have a major high to take out here and then another supply sitting up. Like, we're literally just following the market, guys. I feel like this is the most simple fucking strategy in the world. But anyways, back at AJ. By the way, I told you guys I was gonna do a vlog of the jet ski boat day, bro, which I've been like on like 3 times since I told you guys this, but I'm always with a gang of people. And I want to do the vlog with like just me and my lady so we can fuck around and shit, but who knows, maybe I'll bring out the GoPro. I spent a gang of bread on like GoPro attachments and shit, bro. I have every attachment you could possibly imagine in the entire fucking world. Because I was gonna do all of my YouTube videos with it too, just because it's such a clear picture, but let it be known, bro, the phone is so much fucking better for like in-house vlogging than GoPro. GoPro is literally just an action camera, and and I don't fuck with it, only unless I'm doing action shots. And I had no idea because I'm new to the whole vlogging lifestyle, so I just gotta get it out there more. First thing I did when I got my GoPro, when we went out in the water, was I threw that bitch in the water to make sure it's gonna work underwater, and it does. We're good. Is there anybody in anything right now? Are y'all just chilling, waiting for the signal? Looks like GU's making its way up into the zone. Don't mind this ugly ass fucking range sitting back here. It's crazy. Oh, here, let me turn this on too. Tony, appreciate you for telling me to turn it up. So when I use Apple Music, bro, I have to turn it way the fuck down, and so I always forget to turn it back up when I start my stream. Let me know if that's too loud for you guys. Matrix says just chill today. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's a game of probabilities, and we're messing up our probabilities by trying to trade on a fucking bank holiday. I know some y'all itching for that trade, but it got me fucked up. Don't know what the fuck is that. By the way, Wes, you can't hear music on Zoom. You'd have to go onto YouTube. Although we don't listen to the same music, bro. I don't even go on YouTube. Our music taste, bro, is not the same. Have the rest of the week to catch some bangers. You heard? All week, bro. It's not looking too bad this week. I'm going to sit on here till 8:30. Giveaway day is not today, by the way. We'll be doing that one day this week. I'm not telling you. And I think this week I'm going to do a free month in my Signals channel for the first time, or potentially not. But I know that I'm not just giving away $50. This is gonna be a value giveaway. So I'm either giving you guys a challenge, you know, we do like a little 10K challenge or something, or I'll be giving you guys 1 month to my Signal, so you guys can have the actual trades, my actual breakdowns. And I also want to start on Friday. I didn't want to do it right away too, because I got like 10 people in there. You know, when I go live, I would like for people to actually come and conversate with me and ask me what they need. But now that we're starting to grow a bit more, I do want to, if not do a webinar on Friday, at least just record a video of me going through all the trades I've taken the previous week, so you guys see exactly where my head was at, especially if you missed the lives, and what I could have potentially done differently if it was a loser, which around here doesn't happen very often. And I was thinking about doing I don't know. We'll see if I do like an educational little section in my signals, bro. But I really like everything to be live. I like you guys to ask me questions live. So if there's something that you see that you're like, what the fuck is this? You can ask me exactly what it is, and I can show you live instead of replay. But there's multiple ways to access me, bro. You can hit me on YouTube. You can hit me on Instagram. I have a free channel in my Discord that you can find on my Instagram bio. And I reply to everything, bro. I'm not hard to get a hold of, bro. My following isn't crazy yet, so if you guys want the help, get the help now. Drop more backtesting videos, bro. I'm doing a backtesting video every other Friday, my guy. YouTube videos will be every Friday, but those backtesting videos will be every other Friday. And then the would you take this trade, those will be at least once a month. So like, if you guys haven't saw that video, go ahead and check it out on YouTube. It's literally, I go to a setup, I mark it all up, and I say, would you take this trade? I give you 5 seconds to, tell yourself if you'll take the trade or not. And then we go through why I would or wouldn't take the trade. Like, that's tons of value there to show you guys, to test your guys' skills from everything you're watching on live to see if you're actually retaining everything that we're talking about. I saw you using Notion last time to track your trades. Do you use it only for trading, also for other things? Only for trading, bro. Yeah, I have a like folder or journal for all my other shit in life. And then I have my phone calendar. I'm a very structured, organized person, bro. It can't be all over the place out here. So my whole life runs off of a fucking calendar because I have a lot of shit to do during the day. And honestly, I don't have the greatest fucking memory as far as getting everything done. I don't know if that's due to poor memory or due to just having so much shit to do. So the calendar runs everything, bro. But Notion is just for trades. And I can't send you guys like the format. I have to figure that out. Like someone asked for it before and I just had to send them like an actual PDF of it because I don't know how to send like the format of what I do. I can put a link up on my bio so you guys can track my trades, but I have to find a way to lock it so you guys can't mess with my shit. I know people like to just troll everything. Bro, have you ever used Magic Keys? Magic Keys is the GOAT, bro. It's the best thing in the world. For those of you who don't know, well, I'm not about to be advertising Magic Keys, but nonetheless, if you guys have a hard time with managing your trades because you can't look at a trade, whether that's because you're new or you're over leveraging like you fucking shouldn't be, or you're over trading, you're trying to revenge a trade back that you just lost, go on to Magic Keys, or just stop fucking doing that bad behavior. But Magic Keys, you can literally hop into a trade, you can set your stop loss, and you can set partial TPs. Okay, so let's say we hopped into this trade right here. Okay, put stops above here. So your Magic Keys, you can set your stop, and then you can set a break-even point. Okay, so we're looking to take price all the way down to here, but we got to leave, we got to go to work, whatever the case may be. You can set auto break-even at this point. So as soon as price melts down and taps this point, it'll automatically put a break-even on your shit. And you can also put a partial TP right here. So when it breaks past this point, it'll take out whatever, 25% of your trade, 50% of your trade. And then you can set it to where once it comes all the way down here to your target, it'll take the rest of the position out. Literally sitting like you don't have to do anything. You don't have to stare out. There's no emotions. Just hop into the trade, set your boundaries, move the fuck away. Now, me as a scalper, I like to see each candle form to see how I want to manage my trade, or if there's any new supplier demands that form within our setup to help us manage. But for again, those of you guys who struggle with management, bro, this is the easiest tool in the world. You don't have to do anything anymore. It's hands-free. It's like a scalper turning into a swing trader. And then you can just set nice little alarms right here. Boom, set an alarm. And then as soon as it hits this point, all you have to do is look at your phone and say, oh shit, another TP hit. But if you're having a bad day, do not set an alarm for your stop loss so you don't have to feel like a piece of shit when you lose. Then you're all good. You can just come the next day and see that you got clapped. Looking to get it this week. Looking to get it every week, player. Do you use Magic Keys, bro? I hope that was a decent little thing. You guys can get the physical version or the online version. I bought the online version when I first heard about it because I wanted to test it out. But honestly, I should just get the physical. It's fire, bro. They just came out with the new version, which I don't know what it does, but hella clean for trading. By the way, we're not in this trade for anybody who just hopped on. So like we talked about, so now we're coming down to take out these equal lows. If we came back into the zone, I'm not going to participate. If we came down to demand sitting right below it, we're not going to participate. Do you guys know why? Yeah, I'm going to let you guys answer. Do you know why we would not take this trade right here and this demand sitting here? There is a gap sitting before it. Royal says, you over there fantasizing about trades because he was too scared to take it. Laugh my ass off. I'm already up 15 pips. Keep fantasizing, buddy. Bro, are you going to be this hurt forever, bro? Are you going to get over yourself? Or for everybody who doesn't know, Royal's upset with one of my boys, so he wants to bring it over to my channel. So it's a little sad. We'll let you talk one more message of talking shit, and then we'll get you out of here, bro. So make it a good one. Nothing? Yes? No? You good? I have another software that is like Magic Key, but I'm looking to get Magic Keys because it's more advanced. Bro, it's cheap. Yes, Alessandro, because we touched it already, bro. It's just not a fresh zone. We already tapped into it here. We already filled the entire gap when we tapped into it with this candle, so it just avoided zone altogether. Have to wait for this lower zone. What is the other software, bro? Magic Keys, I think it's like 30 bucks for the online version, and it's like 150 bucks for physical if you want to try it out before you do the physical. Honestly, I don't need anything more on my my desk. I've gotten pretty accustomed to the online one. I feel like I've had it for like a whole year now almost. And what it also does, you guys can set your risk parameters. So like if you want to risk 2% per trade based upon equity, based upon balance, if you want to risk a fixed money account, like if you want to risk 2 racks per trade instead of 2%, you can set it as that. So you never have to calculate lots ever again. You fucking click open calc, you click open trade, and it does all the lots for you. So simple for people who don't want like Steny or other services that calculate it for you, or if you don't want to calculate it yourself, have a robot do it, bro. Everything automated. GU attempted twice now to make it back up here. Just ain't doing anything, bro. AU's making its way up. NAS is making its way up. We've also formed another supply sitting up here. And now the pimp shit, everybody, let me hear you say, oh yeah, yeah. I would get it, but I'm shutting off my Office PC. I can't download things on there. Yeah, so coming here on Wednesday. So next Wednesday, I'm gonna be trading from my laptop because I'll be in Colorado, and I've never I have to download Streamlabs on there and shit. You know what I'll probably do instead of having like this whole background that I have here of Zen Labs and shows how many people and all that extra shit. I'm just going to trade off of Zoom, and then I'll send you guys. I'll just go live on YouTube, but it won't have like the cool background and shit, so I don't have to overload my laptop. Maybe, or we'll try to see if it'll fucking work. But I'll still definitely be trying to hop on 100%. I'll be there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we come back the 2nd. And then when is the holiday? It's on Tuesday. So we'll be going live all next week. Again, here I'll be in Colorado, so we won't get to have dope fucking backgrounds on my lives, but I'll still be here on Zoom. And then we're not trading on Tuesday or Wednesday because this is my birthday. Markets are closed. This is my lady's birthday. I'm closed. And then we'll pick back up on it Thursday of that week. Just so you guys know. I don't work on my birthday. Never done it my entire life. Not just because it's the 4th of July, but because just usually everything just fucking closed, bro. But at this point, I've just kind of made it a point to not work on my birthday. Let me hear you say, oh yeah. Oh shit. I'm looking at that matrix. Close half, close custom stop loss to be parser TP. Same shit, dude. This looks a lot cleaner than it. This is a lot cleaner than it, but same shit, bro. Enjoy your time, G. We're actually going to, I don't know what we're doing for my birthday. We got invited onto a yacht in Gulfport. But I'm actually going to be in Colorado, so we can't go on it, unfortunately. And I also don't, I mean, they're fun, bro, but I'd so much like to actually do fun things in the water. I don't really care to stand there and just drink, because as you guys know, I can't fucking hang, dude. I'm down and out for a whole ass day when I try to drink out here. Eric, thoughts about what, bro? Find my love. No, no, no. So ugly, bro. Can't define our love. I shared my TradingView charts link. No, you didn't. No, I didn't get it. You have the free chat too, though, so you can send it in the free chat. But I definitely did not get a link, bro. Do I need to show you how to do it, Eric? Everything's alright. If you send it on the YouTube live chat, you won't get it. Only mods can send links in the chat. Damn, I did not know that. It's interesting. Oh, but if you send, yeah, it makes sense. But if you don't send the TradingView with it and you just send after the /, then I will receive it and then I can put it in my shit. I forgot about that. I hope that makes sense. So it says TradingView.com / chart, whatever the fuck. Send me all the shit after the / and then I can put it into my own shit. 'Cause I can't breathe. Or you can send it to bro, you got me on fucking everything, bro. Figure it out, sir. Abandoned adolescent. See, I'd have been locked up, backstabbed, been heartbroken. Gotta figure this shit out, bro. But Eric Alessandro, when you posted that chart, if you look right above it, that's literally Eric posting some shit. So he knows how to do it. Just want to see people's thoughts on a pair. What pair? I'll give you my thoughts. Because this ain't it, sir. I put my heart on ice, because I can't breathe. Oh shit. Unmute yourself, bro.
What's up, bro?
What up, player?
I'm chilling.
You traded on a I think I can hear my echo from your shit.
No, I took it off.
Oh, okay. You traded on it this fine holiday? You better go celebrate, bro.
Yeah. Seeing what's cranking in the markets right now.
Eric, send it in. I give you a professional opinion from a BE trader. Let them know, Alessandro. Yeah, bro, I got shit, I honestly got like 10 more minutes here, guys. I gotta go get my boat ready and shit. We got a big day ahead. At the very least, I'll send you guys a nice little story. We're going to Anclo Island today. We'll bring that up. So you know where to find me? In my medallion. This is where we're going. In the middle of fucking nowhere. And it's dope too, like you can ride all through here. And all around it. Just like you guys saw in Pine Key or Beer Can Island, there's just a gang of fucking people that hang all around this coast. So, and it's a lot bluer water here than it is in Pine Key, because Pine Key is sitting down here in the bay. So it's just like a lot. This is where Pine Key is at. It's a lot dirtier water than where we're going to today. So yeah, I need to take some videos for you guys. It's a beautiful place. AJ doing exactly what I expected. It broke another structure point and aims to retrace. Thomas, you gotta send me your charts, bro. What's up, Callie? Good morning.
Morning.
Are you trading on this fine holiday?
If I see anything, if not.
I'm chilling, bro. As I was telling everybody, I'm going on the boat. I just want to come on and say what's up to everybody, give my outlook, and what y'all do is up to you. I really want to see what most people bias would be in a pair. Best way to read market environment behavior through other people's opinions. You know what I think, Eric? I think that this is just a fat fucking range of nothing, good sir. We're just sitting between this price point and this price point, and it looks very holiday-y to me. And I can't see it for shit, even on my computer. Crude oil? Is that what it is? I only see us ranging in the moment. You know what I'm saying, bro? I mean, if you're a range trader, you can look out to take out these equal lows, but it's just a liquid grab setup. Why would you want a lot of outside opinions on trades? That's dumb as fuck. No confidence in yourself. Here's what Royal said, Eric. Eric tries to be like the Eric sentiment is based upon what other people are trying to do. He just goes the opposite of it, and that's his strategy. Let me know what pair that is, bro. I thought I saw crude oil, but I can't see shit. It's too small. Are you trading off your phone? That's why it's such a small link. Yo, what's up, Jose? How you doing, bro? It is oil. I remember. I can't forget.
Yo, I think AU's gonna blow past that fucking supply.
I do too, bro. And come all the way up into this higher supply.
Yeah, it's coming from that demand down at the bottom. Just tapped into it lovely. But you do know if it blows past it, and then you can take the demand on the opposite side to go up.
Get a nice demand form right here. That's what I told everybody, bro. I know that we're looking bearish as far as smaller time frames, but especially because we need to fill in this gap to the left here, but I really do not want to go against this nasty fat fucking move up. I've been in dark mode. Need to get back into live streams, my man. Oh, Jose, what the fuck, bro? It's been a minute. I haven't seen you since like I was actually streaming with Dog, which is March. Yeah, pretty much a year ago, bro. Make sure you tune into his live on the 28th. Is that when it is? The day that I leave, I think. The Wednesday, yeah, the 28th from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern. He will be going on YouTube Live. I will be there. I don't know when my flight is to go to Colorado, so I won't be able to be there the whole time, which I wouldn't be on the computer for 12 hours anyways. It sounds like a fucking nightmare. But I will definitely be on multiple times when I have time, guys. So make sure you guys show up to that. Luca will be on. I'm sure he has a lot of other guests as well. It's going to be tons of fucking fun. Hawk FX will be there.
Yo, that 12-hour shit sound crazy, my boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit sounds wild.
Yeah, Jose. Still am, bro. I'm still a salesman in this motherfucker. I think I follow you on Instagram. How you been, bro? Did you take a break from trading or you just took a break from the streams? We're getting a decent reaction from the supply sitting up here, guys. You can't do an impulsive move because it's not the overextended supply, which is way up here, so you'd have to wait for previous candle break. But you can have that. Does anybody on here live in Florida? I doubt it. Where are you guys all from? You just took a break from streams, yeah, bro. You're addicted like the rest of us. You can't take no break from trading. Oh shit, what, bro? You ever come down to the Tampa area? We got somebody in here from Orlando. Jesse Livermore made 100 M's by reading market environment and other people's thoughts. Yeah, I do. Come holla at your boy, bro. We always out here. I'm always out in Orlando, honestly, too. The Wave Hotel is a fucking beautiful place. Feel like some boss shit waking up, pressing a button for your curtains to open up for you. I got family in Brandon. Brandon's rough now, bro. There's literally one road in and one road out from where I live. And at any time, whether you're driving 10 miles or 20 miles, it's just at least an hour, bro. I can't fucking stand going over there. But it's a beautiful place, a lot of vegetation. A little bit away from the city, but still the city. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to buy actual land instead of these little fucking plots of land here in the city, Brandon's a decent place to go to. And it's the last place. Like, after Brandon, you got to go way north. You know, inland to find any type of land because people are just buying these bigger properties, these bigger plots of land, and then, you know, sizing them up for little apartments and shit. I love it. Eric is definitely not going to give this up. To say somebody doesn't have confidence because they ask him for others' opinions on a pair is pretty immature. You guys are getting a solid reaction off of this supply sitting here. Again, little LP. because of bank holiday. That's really it. That's why I'm not fucking with it. Thomas said send you the link up here. So Thomas, you have to take out tradingview.com and send me everything after the /, or you have to send it to my free Telegram group. I can't get it on here unless you're a mod, which I just found that out myself. Cape Coral, dope, Dylan. I have no idea where the fuck that's at, I'm not gonna lie. I just moved out here, bro. I guess I can't say just anymore. I've been here for 2 years, but Cape Coral. Oh fuck, you're in the Fort Myers area. Are you okay from that hurricane, bro? Did that fuck you guys up or what? Big stepper like big meat. So you're sitting down here, bro? I live somewhere in this area right here. What I got planned next? Trying to put the stars in the ceiling. So boom, that would be your guys' entry right there. You're going against higher time frame, and you got a bank holiday. So be careful. Took a private to Vegas. When I'm sliding, I'm faded. Now I got it, it's gated. Oh, I'm getting fucking excited, bro. It's gonna be a dope day. But I guess it's dumb as fuck in your opinion. Leave him alone, Eric. Yeah, whole fam did alright. Definitely not as bad as others. Yeah, bro. So one of my boys' mother had 2 trailer park investment homes out there. And, bro, I swear, she had no insurance on either one of these properties, and they're fucking gone, dude. She lost both of them bitches to the hurricane, and had to go moving with him for a bit because of it. So, just fucking crazy, bro. My boy told me if I ever get tired of my boat to get insurance from tow something, and then bring it all the way out into the bay and forget to put my plug into it and let that bitch sink, and they'll pay you for the entire thing. So, shout out to insurance fraud. But I love Tampa. I was looking at condos by Ybor. I love Ybor, bro. It's hilarious because everybody out here calls Ybor like a ratchet city and shit. I'm like, bro, that's exactly what I like. I don't like going out in South St. Pete because me and my girl can't enjoy our loud ass selves like we like to in places like that. We're loud motherfuckers. Well, look at that. This bitch is bleeding, bruh. I'm from NYC, so I like the feeling. I'm from New York, bro. Way upstate in Rochester. And I've lived in the city my whole fucking life. Like Denver, Colorado, now living here in Tampa. To be honest with you, bro, I'm trying to get away from all of it. Like, I'm done with the city life. I'm down to go get me some land and be away from everybody. We can do the live streams. I hang out with people, but the club life is dead to me, bro. City life is dead to me, bro. Seeing so many miserable people who can't afford their lifestyle while I'm out here just doing my thing. What's up, baby? You're on camera, just so you know. Huh? You're on camera, bro. What do you want? When you walk in, it's on camera. I can't. You just gotta, if you walk the boundaries, walk to the side.
Bro, I did walk the boundaries
or I can, here, when you leave, I can just do You gotta knock, bro. I am from. Well, usually I have it blurred out, but I just can't do it on Streamlabs. I can only do it when we're doing Zooms. We didn't see her all good. She's not naked, but she's feeling tired. I'm also from Colorado, small town Buena Vista. Oh, no shit, bro. Where's Buena Vista, baby? You know? You still live there with me. You're not moving to the tropics, bro. We're moving to Nicaragua. That's where we're moving to. Yeah. Buena Vista is by Oh, it's by the springs. You're fucking south, bro. Or I guess not. It's kind of west. When we come back home, we're going up in this area right here. In the middle of fucking nowhere. Kind of like Buena Vista. Jeez, look at that. Fucking obliterated in 2 seconds. I mean, it wasn't like an attack, just trying to point out to him that the person who asked for his opinion on affairs isn't dumb. They just trying to read the environment. Bro, he's not in a good mood. He's not a fan of me at all right now. So he's just going to be talking shit to people and doing his thing. That's what I told him. He's got one more fucking not friendly message and we're just going to have to put his ass in timeout. It's filtering my messages. You said free Telegram. Did you mean Discord? I can't see a free Telegram. Yeah, Discord, bro. My bad. Go to link in my bio and you'll see the free Discord. We started in Telegram. Discord's a lot easier to use. Are we going shopping soon? I told everybody I'd be on here until like 8:30. It's 8:35, so I'm a free fucking man. Look. Why? It's filtering my messages. You said free Telegram. Did you mean? Oh, same thing. Bro, you can send it here. Just you have to do it after the / of TradingView. Delete the tradingview.com. But I still think you should be in the free Discord anyways. I thought you were already in my free Discord. You are. I see you right here. Thomas Bilderberg. Go to Zen Lab free chat in the free content section. And then send it right there. Junior Boogie Down just followed me on Instagram. I just followed you on Instagram, bro. I mean, that's not our problem. He can't control his own emotions. Suck it up and respect. But he must be gone, bro, because he would have just continued to go ham at this point. Although he knows who you are, Eric. You guys have been streaming together for a while, so maybe he's just over your shit. There, lady, you're good. Run, 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 run. Oh, shit. Okay, this is Dirt 30. You're too nice, Emmett. It's fucking Zen Labs. Player? What do you want? You want to be a fucking asshole? I'm already an asshole hardcore on my sales job. It's like I'm very fucking mean because I have to be. So when I go into my personal space here, it likes to be nice and fucking peaceful, bro. Jer 30. But we trade different. You're just trading breakouts. I don't know what you want me to do here, good sir. Alessandro. I love the other hidden personality. Yeah, it comes out pretty savage, bro. Ruthless as fuck. This is Thomas Bilderberg's chart, but again, I just can't see it, bro, because it's so zoomed out. So people can't see it either. And that's literally something I've had to learn from streaming is like, I like my charts like this. Let me show you guys. When I'm trading, like this is how I fuck with my charts. But on there, you guys can't see shit. So I have to zoom like all the way the fuck in. This is so zoomed in on my shit. Eric, make sure you show up on the 28th, bro. I'm sure it's going to get a little toxic. Toxic Wednesday. Oh. This is honestly a clean setup. Cheese not coming back. So here. GJ, we finally took out these equal lows sitting down here, but now this is the third time coming as to this demand, so I would not take this trade. Some supply and demand traders are, but more often than not, when it is an overused zone like this, it just doesn't work out for me. But what a clean fucking liquid grab here. It'd be nice if we took out these London lows to come down to this overextended demand and continue higher, but this is quite clean for those people who are down to take a zone that's already used. I'm gonna pop out. I already spoke to Dollar. You hopping on the actual live, or you just coming to the YouTube comments? Did anybody take this, by the way? And I got 5 minutes, yeah. 8:45. I'm getting out of here. We got a big week ahead of us, so y'all better be here. Yeah, gonna add on the giveaway. Yeah, bro. Dollars fucking lives are the home of me spending $20 to $100 to donate to his shit to the kids. Every fucking stream. I was paying that boy's electrical bills. And then make 100 M's yet. I mean, YouTube takes 30%. Oh, do they take 30%? Just here chilling. I know we don't trade the same, just supporting the work you're doing and learning to stay out of trades. Appreciate you, Alessandro. Dude, I feel like you've been here every fucking day since I started. Appreciate you, heavy. You, Tony, I guess all you guys. You guys are all pretty. The people who actually comment are my day ones. You guys are all my day ones. Literally all of you. I'm probably gonna have to send it Zelle or Bitcoin. Zelle is the truth, bro. Bitcoin, you're getting charged anyways. Do you guys have any questions before we wrap this up? Anybody want me to look at anything? Anybody want to chime in? Anybody want me to wish me a good holiday and a good day on my fucking boat? Does anybody want to see anything? We got any video ideas? The next 2 Fridays I have my video ideas, but what about the next 2 Fridays after that? Is there anything that you guys need to catch up on that I need to help you out with? I'm here for you, bro. Use my time. That's hilarious. This song comes on too. This is the song I made my jet ski video. I actually prefer Bitcoin. It's my second bank account. As long as you're not using Coinbase, bro. They're fucking shit. Do some trading psychology videos. I think it would help for a lot of people. Yeah, psychology is a big part of trading. I know we do a lot of chart work, but I don't think I talk much about psychology at all unless you guys are staying tuned to the live. So yeah, I'll do that. We'll do like a... 5 or 10 tips I would use for psychology that help me out. And I'm writing these down, bro. I got you guys. Whatever you ask for, I fucking do it. How dope is that? Appreciate your time and knowledge. What'd you say, bro? Appreciate your time and knowledge. Once I stop being greedy, I could finally make it. Bro, the higher ups in the markets are greedy fucking bastards. It's not bad to be greedy. The issue with greedy is people are greedy when they're in down and drawdown, but as soon as they get into a fucking win, they don't want to be greedy and hold that bitch. No one wants to lose, but everybody's scared to win. It makes no sense to me. You chase that higher R to R, you don't need as high of a win percentage. That's what you guys really need to understand. You mess with cryptocurrency, bro? Nah, Emmett thinks it's a scam. No, I do not mess with cryptocurrency, bro. Shit, you ain't lying, bro. I'm good.
That's funny.
I got rug pulled one too many times, I guess.
Yeah, I think the market is gonna consolidate a lot today.
Yeah, same, bro. Hope you guys participated in this. Great. I didn't. I just gave you the markup. Boom. You hit a nice little TP1. Now it's coming back to To entry. Psychology can be grilled into someone, but it literally takes time behind the choice in order to get a grasp of all the possible emotions experienced while trading IMO. Yeah, like a lot of people say, if you reduce your risk down to something you're comfortable with, it doesn't make you feel as crazy about it, but I don't agree with that. I think it takes time for you guys to build emotions in the market. And a big part of it, yes, is over leveraging. Okay, if you have a $200 account, you're risking $50 per trade, your fucking palms are gonna be sweating, bro. But even if you're starting out and you're only risking $1 per trade with that $200 account, it takes time to adjust to allowing your capital to be in drawdown before anything happens. And the only way to master psychology and the only way to master your emotions is time, bro. I can make a million videos for you, but until you actually take the time for yourself, it's hard. You can ask Hawk. Me and Hawk went through some fucking crazy psychology shit together, bro.
Yo, chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill the fuck out. Yo, GU has a nice demand zone on a 1 hour time frame, but it's like 14 pips away. Like
I think I have it marked up. Yeah, down here. I have it marked up.
Okay, yeah.
Which, dude, look at this. It's just insane. Like, do you guys want to trade during this? Understanding it's a bank holiday. Understanding the banks are actually not trading today. It's a reason why my lady's off. She's a financial broker. Markets are closed. She's closed too. Let me see whose chart this is. Alessandro, gold. Are you about to hop into this, bro? You can go look at gold. Okay, so clearly gold is in a downtrend. We're trying to recover some of these huge fucking gaps sitting down here. So I definitely expect price to continue to tank. So where could you guys capitalize off of? Well, we have this major high that we just taken out here. We can come all the way up into this 15-minute supply before continuing lower. Or you can go down to the 5-minute and there's one sitting a bit lower than that. Okay, both of them have a gap sitting before it. Both of them have the 200 on their side. And both of them have the high to take out before continuing to it. So the only thing that we need to match our strategy is a reaction at this zone. You get it, you take a trade. If you don't, you don't. But it is a bank holiday, so be cautious. Your childhood made you hide in fear from failure and losing. People don't understand that. What you experienced as a kid follow through your future. Now with me, bro, my mom would let me do whatever the fuck I wanted. I could accomplish anything, whether that was good or bad. She allowed me to be a baby-ass shithole kid. And so I always did whatever the fuck I want. That translates over to the charts. And that's why I wouldn't be a good parent, because I want too much order in my life and my kids' life, so they would fucking act up or go run around and be crazy. I'm motherfuckers yelling at them like, bro, chill out, go sit down. And you do that shit, it fucks up their mindset. You gotta let them be free and do whatever they want to do. And so I gotta write this down. Well, that's a good speech to give to my lady why I don't want kids. It's like when you were in school, they used to say it's cheating when you work with your classmate in a test. I mean, shit, bro, in the trading game, it's definitely an individual journey. You can spend a lot of time with other people and try to get things with each other, but I think the most growth I've ever had, in fact, I know by far, is when I do it for myself and with myself, because you guys are just going to see the markets differently to some degree. But your parents send you to school 8 hours, 5 days a week. I didn't go to school even 3 hours, 3 days a week. There was no consequences for what I did, so I just didn't do anything. I was a free bird. All right, what time is it? 8:48? All right, bro, I'm out of here. I'm going to go enjoy my day off. I'm glad you guys showed up to say what's up to me, all 13 of you. Make sure you guys like my stream before you hop off. I got another video coming out on Friday. Now I got a psychology video I'm going to make for you guys. And again, for those in my signals group, on Friday, we're going to go through every last trade I took for the week. So if you guys have any questions, are a little bit lost in anything that I do, just hit me up and let me know what's going on. I'm here for you guys to fucking learn and grow and to do it on your own one of these days. Callie, appreciate you for showing up. Rock, appreciate you for showing up. I will see you guys same time tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern.
All right, bro.
All right, later, y'all.